Wala katanat pelatengka jong sarkar jela nadu kat kendai terik menta ubnai rempang arajar arpawai. Kalau bahak pisah ia katanat puli putih jong ke jela ban pelat no ia ke jingsi jong kino hikai school deficit jong ke jela kebarang pensateng hendai namar bakini kino hikai kimpat yuk pediang ia ke pisah menta kalau penken mau biang ia katanat puli putih halor ke ni ke jingsi. Bat ki penbenaru bala dak sarkar kamlak ban siu kin Pynlong dak ke Jingiakhih.
Kino hikai jong school deficit ki bahapok kalama jong Khasi Jantia Deficit School Teachers Association bat ka Garo Hills Deficit School Teachers and Employees Association. Haga jing kendo bagi nong pathai kubor ka arpu arterik banta ubnai rempang arhajar arpuwei. Kila Byrngem ban Pynlong daga Jingiakhih lada katanat puli putih jong sarkar kamla ban Pynurlong ki Jingdawa jong ki. Ki mat Jingdawa jong ki artli ki seng jong kino hikai school deficit ki kentup ya ka baibam temen bat ka retirement commission ka belong ru kat kum ke jing ai jingmut jong ka 5th pay commission nang ta ke jingkular ban sewa ka Arrears ha ki sau benta malaga snem hendrai hadu menta ya ka installment ka baar ompat sew satya nadu bala sew khat do ha ubnai no pra ka snem arhajar kat pra ka bamenta kino hikai ki khimi lenti ban yo ya ka jong ka snem arhajar kat khandai bat ka snem arhajar arpau. Bat menta ke senam arhajar arpuwei ki khimi lentiru banyo barok kan kapisa shispa na ke shispa. Sakawai pat ke Jingdawa kalong ban pentrekam no igi service rules jong kin hikai school deficit namar na kaliang kin hikai kiladap pendap ke benta jongki kentup nadu ke jing ai jingmut ha ke draft service rules. Kumta na kaliang kin artli ki kenhon jong kin hikai school deficit kila ai por khat sausi ke sarkar ban Pynurlong ki Jingdawa. Lem kumta kin shem de lenti jong ke Jingiakhih.
That, sir, your government is yet to implement the recommendation of the 5th Pay Commission with regards to the deficit school teachers, namely pension and retirement benefits, DCRG, for deficit school teachers, as stated in the Article 11, 18.2, 1, 2 and 3, page 260 of the report of the 5th Pay Commission. That's number 2. That, sir, as per notification dated the 21st of June 2018, your government had committed to disburse the area of the revised pay in 4 installments, that is with the cabinet nod, 25% every year with the effect from 2018. Till date, only one installment of 25% released in December 2018 has been received. That, sir, the draft service rules of deficit school teachers is yet to be adopted by the government. The associations, both the associations, had done their part in giving suggestions and recommendations as asked by the government, and the same had been duly submitted earlier and requests to implement at the earliest for the smooth functioning of the teachers and management of the government. This was submitted to the government before the pandemic in the month of February last year.